Dude, that's delicious. All right, I know someone that has to try this. Come on.
I didn't understand what's happening.
Try this.
Oh my god. That's just Matt breaking stuff. Don't worry about that. That was good.
Did you get that? Yeah. Sweet. Okay, so first thing is the chips. Okay,
All
so
right.
we've got store-bought right here.
Nice.
Versus the homemade that we made on Jess's channel. So
Yes.
go subscribe to Jess, please. Watch the video.
Amazing.
Yeah,
by
check
the
it
way.
out. We made
Don't
some
look at the bottom.
tortillas.
We're gonna make the chips, right?
All right, let's make them.
So I'll just show you the first initial cut. You can take it from there. Just cut it in half and then cut it in half again, and like that. Chip size.
All right, so Lizzie can do that one and I'll do this side.
Nice.
And then as you're done, you can pass them to me and I'll fry them for you. Okay, so Michael, get closer here. You can see any shape you want to do. You can do circles, squares, triangles. They're your nachos, okay? Beautiful. And we'll just spread them out. Oil is canola.
Nice.
We usually use rice at home. This is at 350
Rice
Fahrenheit.
oil?
Rice oil, yeah. I like it. It's a neutral oil, has a high smoke point.
What about avocado oil?
Well, that's just bougie.
Yeah.
You know how expensive a little bottle is?
Oh. I mentioned coconut oil.
But also it has a low smoke point.
We need
What are the high
high
smoke points? Canola oil,
Canola,
rice oil,
rice, grapeseed.
grapeseed.
Sunflower.
I use grapeseed at home too.
Sunflower.
All right, so now what?
These get GBD.
Golden brown.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Just look at me. You think of GBD?
Golden brown delicious.
Yeah, I do.
So once these are GBD, we'll just scoop them out, put them into the bowl.
Nice.
I would usually do this in a pot with a lot of oil, but
Okay.
you know, not necessary if you're doing a little bit like this. Be
Could you
careful.
do this with an air fryer?
You could. It's not the same as frying though. That's the thing. Frying is more of a convection bake.
It won't get crispy, right?
It'll get crispy, yeah. It's like throwing it in the oven at super high heat with convection. That's what an air fryer is.
Okay.
Yeah, but you could do that.
But it wouldn't be as delicious.
But would you coat it
This
in
would be
oil
good.
or no?
You'd have to coat it in oil when you're done, so you can get the sugar to stick.
Oh.
Because
what if
have you ever
like,
had a buñuelo?
Yes.
That's what we're making.
Oh, okay. We're just
Making
making little
buñuelos.
mini versions.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so these are a little GBD. This is just a fun thing. Like I said, you
this
can
is
do it
fun.
however you want.
I
You
mean,
can
and
do
I love a
circles.
bite size, chippy, crispy.
You know what works
fried,
really good? Remember those
anything.
tortillas we were talking about? You could buy at the store that are like kind of par cooked.
Yeah.
Get those.
like the raw
and-
ones.
Yeah, they puff up really nice when you do this.
These look good though. They're coming out really nicely. And I feel like we're right. Once the heat is up, like they go really fast. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't crowd the space, babe. You know that oil pops back. Okay.
It's okay because I'm standing next to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
No, because I saw
It'll
it go
just
right
burn
this
me.
way. Hey, oh, wow. Oh, I'm sorry, Anna, did you get hit by oil? Yeah, hot oil.
You were just gonna leave the flame on? This is not your house.
We can't burn the place down. We're in Cali.
Look at that perfection.
GBD, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Nice. Oh my God, Jesus.
Look at that. Gorgeous.
That is so aggressive, dude. Yes, that is a lot of sugar, man.
Yeah.
That's
Stop
fine. That's
it.
perfect. That's fine.
You cannot tell me that someone does not clean your kitchen after this.
Yeah, we got Dyson and we just go and... Where's your Dyson?
You could eat them just like that.
Since we're dairy free, we're gonna make a dairy free...
That's wonderful.
I got chocolate in there.
At the same
Pour
time.
that in, yep.
Nice.
A little flake salt in there.
Chocolate salt.
All of it?
All of it.
Oh,
And some sugar.
Oh,
great.
What kind of chocolate is it?
Mexican chocolate.
You're very aggressive with that.
Okay, so look at the chocolate sauce that Lizzie has.
Yes.
Just put as much as you want of that.
Lizzie, you should taste it. I just
Great.
have-
It's amazing.
It's good?
It's great and amazing.
Great and
At the
amazing.
same time. So we're not done though. We can call it good. We can drizzle it on the nachos and it's still delicious.
Isn't Mexico
Oh.
the OG spot for chocolate?
The cacao pods?
The
you mean?
cacao.
Yeah, I think so. All right, Michael, this is going in.
Jess, we're
Okay,
not
we've
even
got
there
like
yet.
milkshake
Jess is
consistency going.
Wait, why are you putting this in with
In that? Wow.
Isn't it a little thick?
It is.
What exactly is about to happen right now? I'm just
see.
trying to see if I should stand far away or...
So this is the charger. We're gonna charge this
Feels
guy.
like a rocket.
It doesn't feel like a rocket. It feels
Like
like,
a rocket
it has
engine.
gas inside of it.
Like a baby rocket engine.
Oh, it turns into whipped cream!
Yes! We're making like a chocolate foam.
It basically turns in, like, it airs it.
I feel like it's too thick.
It could be. Look.
You're dripping chocolate off your spoon.
You wanna shake it? I think that's enough. Toasty toast. Perfect.
Do you feel like a chef when you do this?
Totally.
Is this what makes you feel like a chef?
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
If you were in a kitchen, you should do it with your left.
Oh.
See, because you want to use your right hand with the utensils.
Oh.
You have to get used to it. Oh, there you go.
That was pretty good.
That was a good
That
one.
was pretty good.
Okay.
Certified chef now. There you go.
What's the fancy way? Like Lizzie?
Honestly, the fancy way is to just do it however. Do some like rings, do some wedges, and then just kind of mix them up.
Like this?
Yeah, you
But
see
it
you're doing
still
it.
feels very weird
That
to me.
feels
Well, it's gonna feel
That
weird.
does feel weird.
You'll get used to it
I'm
though.
just not used to it. Like I feel like I'm gonna slice my knuckle off.
You won't.
Promise?
Yeah. Just do it slow, please.
Matt said it here first.
Let's see. Let's get some of this though. I think this will be a good garnish too.
Nice. This is like a lemon off a lemon tree.
This is
Like
off
a
of
really
y'all's
great
lemon
one.
tree, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is off of y'all's lemon tree.
Oh.
Oh. Interesting.
I don't know why that gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Oh, nice. Now that's artwork.
How do you not get your fingers?
Because I have my guideline right here. Let's
So you trust yourself?
Yes. I mean, I have
What a
at one
concept.
point scraped my knuckle or whatever. Is that enough for y'all, you think?
Sure. I don't even know what this
I
is.
don't know.
A
We
little
don't know
more?
what it's going on
It's
either.
gonna go on the nachos.
Oh.
Little lemon zest, little strawberry.
Oh, this is like
little chocolate.
cilantro.
It's like our cilantro in this situation in a way, yeah.
I mean, you literally called the chocolate sauce cheese.
Oh, I see what
Yeah.
you mean. Yeah, okay, it's the cilantro component. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Let's do this.
Should we get a plate?
You literally almost poked me in the face. I almost did.
Let me
Are you
bet.
gonna build one?
We're building it on his channel.
The competition.
Cute, cute, cute. Some gooey, gooey yum yum. Some straws.
It's looking really delicious.
Beautiful.
Mayonnaise.
Oh, you're making a star. Mm-hmm. Do you want some of this? Do I even have to ask? Cinnamon sugar?
I definitely want some. Thanks.
And
This is like really beautiful.
That's nachos.
Let's see which one tastes better.
They taste exactly the same. That's delicious, Matt.
So that's nachos. Everyone go subscribe to Lizzie and Jess's channel. I did a video on both of their channels, so
So
I'll be
good.
down below.